What's up, everybody? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com.
Crystal Love, KetoBrick.com.
Ooh, see what you did there. Alright, so today we're making Keto Savage Kitchen keto fried pasta. And pretty simple recipe. We've never made this before, so it might be a total bust, but we're gonna find out today. So you need 3 bags of Miracle Noodle, and I'm using the ziti noodle style. They look like this. Boom. And then we got 3 whole eggs. We got 3 tablespoons of coconut oil.
We almost lost an egg.
But 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. We're gonna deep fry these, so it's gonna be kind of hard to quantify how much coconut oil we're actually using. You could measure it out in a pan and then measure it after it's cooked to see. And then we're doing 1 bag of pork rinds, and I highly recommend these Epic brand pork rinds because they're just way better from a ketogenic perspective. But these ingredients yield these macros.
972 calories, 82 grams of fat, 5 grams of carbs, and 58 grams of protein, which breaks down to 75% fat, 24% protein, and 1% carbs. I don't know why that didn't add up in my head, but that's what it is.
Let's make it.
Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and strain these out, rinse them, and we're going to do this because these Miracle Noodles have a funky smell.
Alright, y'all, the next thing we're going to do is scoop out some of our coconut oil. I'm just going to put it in a pot, heat it up, and we're going to deep fry them in here. I've honestly never deep fried with coconut oil before. I've always used avocado oil, so this is a mystery to me. We'll see how it works. And you can reuse these. You can strain this and reuse it for future frying.
So while your oil is warming up, heating up, we're going to go ahead and put the eggs right into a bowl. Get ready for the next step. Alright, now that we have our egg wash, I'm going to go ahead and open up this bag of pork rinds, crush them up for the batter.
Alright, y'all, so now we've got our ingredients all ready to go. We're going to take our noodles, put them in the egg wash, kind of mix them all up in there. Make sure they get all coated with that egg mixture. And then from there, we're going to dip them into the pork rind mixture. And we're just going to basically stir all this in together. Alright, now we're going to grab these noodles covered in the egg and the pork rinds, and we're just going to dip them into the hot oil and let them fry up. Alright, y'all, so these are done after they start floating, because when they start floating, all the moisture's been sucked out of them, and you want to kind of let them float for a little while, but once they start floating, they've been there for a little while, you're good to go. Just dip them out. That's what they look like. Put it on a plate. Boom. We have keto fried pasta. Pasta and pork rinds. Alrighty, y'all. This is done, and in hindsight, we probably used more than 3 tablespoons of oil, so you might want to compensate for more oil, but higher fat ratio. Who's gonna complain there? And it's pretty crispy. You know, I'm surprised. Usually the Miracle Noodles are just like slimy, but these are actually pretty crispy.
Looks so good to me.
I'm just gonna skip the fork and bite right in here.
Are they good?
This is the way to eat Miracle Noodles, y'all. Pretty good.
I wonder if like the noodles would just be like a good like crunchy snack like if you just did the noodles. And, I don't know. Anyways, this looks so delicious. You can't go wrong with pork rinds.
It tastes like popcorn shrimp. That's what it tastes like. Popcorn shrimp. But yeah, I'm gonna be chowing down on this. So Give it a shot. Deep fry your Miracle Noodles. Get the ziti noodles. Fall in love here with y'all. Didn't make sense, did it? Didn't make sense. Alright, really good, y'all. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know what...
Ignore Robert. He's in
eating
Miracle
mode.
Noodle heaven right now.
Yeah.
So
we'll catch y'all later.
Yeah.
Boom, you add cheese, you get something like that. That's what I'm talking about.